Good morning, student. This is Vasu Amit Banchu. Welcome to the class. Today we'll start the new chapter Queries, Forms and Reports in MS Access 2007. So, student, last class we had learned about the introduction of database. Now today we'll discuss some tools, some queries, how to find out the queries, how to report or how to fill the forms in this MS Access. So, come to the introduction part. A query displays specific records from the table that meets a certain criteria. Query means if you want any information about any data, so with the help of this query window, you have to write the data which column you want to display as an output, then it will help. A form is nothing more than a graphical representation of a table. Means in internet or in any website, if you are filling a form, means if you are giving the data. So if we are having the database, and if you want to add some data with that database, then with the help of form we are able to fill the data, or we are able to update or add the data. You can add, update and delete records in your table using a form. A report is an effective way to present your data in a printed format. Report means if you are having your data and if you want to print out some data from the database, so with the help of this report you will able to take the photocopy means a hard copy. Then queries in MS Access. Queries means when the number of records in a table increases, it becomes difficult for the user to pick out specific records from that table. With the with the query, you can apply a filter to the tables data so that you can only view the information you want. For example, a query based on above table can be displayed the names of the student who have passed. It means we are having too much data in our database, and suppose we want some selected data from the database to retrieve some selected data from the database. So with the help of this query, we are able to get the data, which data we want now. So here some example is given there. In the table it is given a query based on above table can be displayed that to display the name of all the students who have passed. Here we can do some calculation, we can do the filter, can use the filter. Filter means which column we want or which category criteria you want, that criteria you give to the filter, then filter will do the filter, and then it shows with the help of query. Then creating a query. How to create a query? A query is based on tables or on other queries. Means a query, to create a query, follow the given step. Step 1, click the create tab. Create tab is there in the ribbon. Then there you have to click on the query design. Then show the dialog box is appear there. It is the picture is given here where you will be getting the create the sign is there. You check step number 1 and step number 2. With the help of this you click, and then come to the step number 3. Choose the table on which you want to generate your query. Means tables are already there. Which table you want to find out the queries, that table you have to select. Then step 4, add button to select the table, query on the query window, then at last close button. If you are closing the button, the particular table selected, and then it will show the table also. Then come to the query window. A query window is divided into two panes. The top pane displays the table selected for the query, and the bottom pane displays design grid, where you can add fields to the query and also specifies the criteria. Suppose if you want to add some fields, so you will be able to add some fields with the help of this. Bottom pane displays the design grid, and the top pane which table you want to display all the queries, that table will be displayed here. And here some tools definitions are there and what it works. Let us understand the design grid. What is there in the design grid? You have to first mention which column you want to display in query, and there in design grid you can add the table, you can add the field also, that field you want to display as a form of query. Here field means rows displays the field from the selected tables, Then table row displays the name of the table. Sort row is used to filter the data in ascending or descending order. Show row displays a check mark which indicates that this field will be visible when the query is executed. Then criteria row is used to specify the condition on the basis of which the record will be filtered. Or row is used to specify multiple criteria. Multiple criteria means if you are giving more than one criteria to show in the query, so it will be used with the help of this or row. Then here, how to use a query. To use a query, you need to add fields, specify the criteria in the design grid and then run the query. It is given here a step. Let us create a query based on the student table to display the records of the student whose age is more than 30. Here in query window, when criteria is given there, we have to display the student names, student records, those whose age is more than 30. Means all the students data should be there in the database, and in that database according to the class their section is also there. So you find out the section, and then in that section if you take out the age of student who is more than 13, then you have to give the query with the help of this query window. Step 1. Choose the required field from the top down list of the field row in the design grid, or simply double click on the field from the table in the top pane. Here, then select the order of sorting in the sort row. Then specify the criteria in the criteria row. For example, in this case, type less than 30. Under the more than 30 under the age column and save the query. Like this you have to give the criteria in design grid. Then fourth step, now to see the result of the query, click the run option from the result group of the design tab on the ribbon. The result of the query is displayed in the datasheet view, showing only those records satisfied with the criteria. So here, if you had given the age should be more than 30, this criteria if you mention there, written there or selected there in the design grid view, so while at the time of execution means at the time to click on the run button, it will show the output as you had given the criteria. According to that criteria, you will be able to see the output with the help of this query window. Then come to the, here note is given here, multiple criteria can be added on the table. Means if you want to add more than one criteria, then it known as a multiple criteria, and it will help you to find out more than one queries, and then it shows the multiple criteria also. Then when you type two criteria on the same line, only records where both criteria are met will be displayed. This is called as AND condition. If you are giving the two criteria in same line, if you are giving, then it known as the AND condition. And if you type first criteria on the criteria row and second criteria on OR criteria row, so it known as the OR condition. Means it depends on your criteria row. If you are giving the single line, it known as and if you are giving the OR option, if you are taking the OR option, then it shows a OR condition. OR conditions, both the example is given here. With the help of this you do the practical also. Practical will explain you later. Then up to here you do. Then first while reading this chapter you have to go through how to create a query, and then go to the query window. What is the use of query window you have to discuss, learn here, and different design grids are here, different tools are here. What is the use of that tool? You have to learn once that field, what is the use of field, what is the use of table, what is the use of sort, show, criteria, or all this will be this all you have to learn what is the use of that particular tool, because this will help you while doing the practical, and this will very easy to learn and very easy to understand also. While doing the practicals, you can do very easily the method also, very easy to find out to create a query, to do the query window where you have to give the design grid, and then while using the query, how to find out the query with the help of this query window only, and how to do the multiple criteria to add in a table. Thank you.